online class children. Now once again I want to recall about SMS. Maintain social distance, use mask always and wash your hands with soap or sanitizer regularly. Okay ma'am? You have to compulsory follow these 3 rules. Now, in previous session what we did, how we have to change the roster form into set builder form and set builder form into roster form. That all we studied now. Now, in this exercise 2.1, what is meant by set actually? Collection of well-defined objects. Okay. What is the rules for a set? The set should be denoted with a capital letter, and inside of what the elements will be there, that should be differentiated by their commas. Okay. Then how many types of sets are there? 2 types. What are that? Finite set, infinite set. General. Then afterwards, so many sets are there that we will discuss in the coming chapters, coming topics. Now, so finite means which we can count. Finite means suppose number of students in 10th class, that we can count 50 or 56 or 57, like that we can count it. That is called a finite set. Then what is infinite set? Which we cannot count. That is set of natural numbers. That you can count as so many are there, 1, 2, 3, so infinite, we can't count it. Like similarly, water drops in a ocean, that also we can't count it, no? So that is also a infinite set that we studied. Now, exercise 2.1, all of you open page number 33. After all of you open your textbooks, page number 33. Now, I will write only answers on the board. Please copy the questions from your textbook. Now first one, only objective type, these are all. So you can first you can fill in the textbook with pencil. Afterwards you can copy in the classroom. Now first one, which of the following are sets? Just 5 your answer. What is mean? Which will be set? Which are not set, that you have to write. See, the collection of all the months of a year. Means set means here we have to take only finite month. Okay, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter J. So set, what suppose this one I am taking as A. This set A contains what the months beginning with letter J? June, July and January also. Okay, so June, July, January. January, June, July. These 3 are the months which are beginning with J. So this is a set. Understood? Finite set only. No. Now, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of 10 most talented. 10 most talented writers means in India, there is no, in India on the whole, so many are there talented persons. How can we know? We know at least 10 or 20 members. But so many, in India, so many talented writers are there. We don't know their names. Understood? So, it is an infinite set. It is not a finite set. Understood? Now, third one. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Of the world. In our team means we can say. In India means we can say. In the world. In the world, see, not only these team players, but which some are playing in their areas, they will be talented only. Okay, but we don't know how many talented persons. Only 11 are? No, we can't count it. No, so that is not a set, infinite set that will be. Now, the collection of all boys in your class. So in your class, how many boys are there? You can say no. That is a finite set. For example, total strength will be 56. In that 20 girls are there. So remaining will be boys only. That we can count. So it is a set. Now, the collection of all even integers. All even integers. Even integers means what? Even numbers along with integers means minus plus all. Not negative. All positive integers, negative integers. So many are there. 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are all positive integers. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10. These are negative integers. So many are there. We can't count it. So it is also infinite set. Okay. Now that first bit is over. Now second one. A is equal to given, B is equal to given, and C is equal to given. What you have to do? You have to take which is belongs symbol, which does not belong symbol. See, second one, if A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 and B is equal to 3, 3, 5, 7 and C is equal to P, Q, R. Like this is given. Okay, these are the sets. Now what is the first bit? First bit 0 dash A. 0 dash A. In set A, 0 is there or not? Yes, 0 is there. So 0 contains A. It is in set A. That's why we can say this 0 belongs to A. Belongs to A. Now second one. 3 dash C. In C set, what will be there? P, Q, R. C, 3 is there in set C. No. 3, where it is 3? 3 is in set B. So that's why does not belongs. That does not belongs. Now fourth one. Third one. 4 minus B. 4 minus B. In set B. 4 is there, huh? In set B, not there, no? So, does not belongs to. Similarly, fourth one, 8 dash A. In set A, 8 is there? Not there. In set A, so does not. Again, P dash C. In set C, P is there, huh? Yes. So, belongs to. Now, sixth one, 7 dash B. 7 dash B. In set B, 7 is there? Yes, 7 is there. So, belongs to. Now, third, express the following statements using symbols. So, statement they given, you have to use the symbol and you have to write. Now, third sum. See the question number. Express the following statements using symbols. First one, the element X does not belongs to A. What is the statement is given? X element is there that does not belongs to the set A. So how can you write that in a symbolic form? Third sum, first one statement I am not writing, you have to copy from the textbook. X does not belongs to A. So X is an element. It does not belongs, does not. This is the symbol for does not and set A. Always sets should be defined by capital letters only. You should show the set by capital letters. Now second one. D is an element of set B. Element D is there. That will be in the set B. So it belongs. So D belongs to set B. D belongs to set B. Now see that. 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers. Natural numbers contains 1? Yes. So 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers. Now next one. 8 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers P. So fourth one. 8 does not belongs to, actually 8 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. That's why 8 does not belongs to set of prime P. Understood? Belongs to this one, does not belongs to this one. Okay, now third sum is also over. Now fourth one. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. See, if it is a false statement, why it is false you have to justify. If it is true, no need to justification. No need to give the justification. Okay. Now it will be false, then you have to give. Now fourth one, first one. Fourth sum, first bit. 5 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers. 5 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers. First you have to say this is a correct statement or not? 5 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers. This is given statement is false or true? Yes, it is true. 5 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers. True, huh? No, it is false. Why? Because 5 is a prime number. But here what is given? Does not belongs given. So the given statement is false. So what is the justification you will write? 5 is a prime number. You have to write 5 is a prime number. It belongs to the set of primes. So in place of writing the full sentence, simply you can write 5 belongs to the set of primes. Okay. Now, second one. S is equal to 5, 6, 7 implies. Second one. Here 5 belongs to set of primes in right now. Second one. For S is equal to set of 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 implies 8 belongs to S. What is the symbol for implies, ma? This is called implies. Okay. Implies 8 belongs to S. See. What the elements are there in the set of S? 5, 6, 7. But 8 is there, not there, no? So it is a false statement. If it is false, give the reason. What is the reason you will write? Only symbolic form you will express enough. 8 belongs to S is false. So what is correct? 8 does not belongs to S is correct answer. Now, third one. Understood, ma'am? Now, what is third one? Minus 5 does not belongs to W, where W is the set of whole numbers. See, W is the set of whole numbers, you know. So what the whole numbers contains? 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, no? So on. But negative numbers are there in the set of whole numbers? Not there. That only is saying. Minus numbers does not belongs to set of whole numbers. So minus 5 is not belongs to the whole set of whole numbers. So given statement is true or false? True only. This is true. Okay. No need to give the justification. Now, fourth one. 8 by 11. 8 by 11 belongs to the set of integers. What the set of integers contains? It contains positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0. Okay. This is what number now? 8 by 11 is a P by Q form number. That is rational number. So, the rational number does not belongs to the set of integers. Now, here belongs the given. So, it is a correct statement? No. So, it is a false statement. What the justification you write? 8 by 11 does not belongs to the Z, and 8 by 11, if you want to give more, also you can give. It belongs to the set of rational numbers that will be indicated by Q. Now, fourth sum is over. Now, come to the fifth one. What is fifth one? Write the following sets in roasted form. They are given in the set tilde form. Already we did in the example sums. Do this, try this, we sums did no? Same only. Now, first one. So, set tilde form is given. Roasted form you have to write. Now, fifth sum, first one. I am not writing the set tilde form. Just see the textbook. What is said to be? X such that X is a natural number less than 6. How is the X to be set? X such that X is a natural number less than 6. So, less than 6 and it will be belongs to the set N. So, less than 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now, this is a roasted form. What is the difference between set tilde form and roasted form? In previous session I said now. What is roasted form? What the elements we are writing inside the bracket. That should be differentiate between what? Commas. What is set tilde form? Set tilde form should write first its nature and what the pattern it is following. That you have to write. Okay. Now, in fifth sum, second one. C is equal to X such that X is a 2-digit number, 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digits will be 8. So, 8 2-digit number. If you add that 2 digit, that answer should be equal to 8. Like that you have to write. So, how many numbers? First I will start with 1. 1 and 7. If I take 17, 1 plus 7, 8. Okay. Now again 2, 6. 2 plus 6, 8. Again 3, 2. 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Again 4, 4. Again 5, 3. Again 6, 2. 7, 1. 18. Okay. So these are the numbers which are having 2 digits, and sum of the 2 digits will be 8. Okay. Like that, you have to write the fifth remaining. You can write down. Okay, ma'am. Now, so answers I will say. C beta we did not, D beta. X is as that X is a prime number which is a divisor of 16. What are the factors? Divisors is nothing but factors. What are the factors of 61? 1, 2, 3. In which table it will come? By which number you can divide by 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 12 or 10. First 10. Then 12. Then 15. Then 30. Then 60. So these are the divisors of 60. Okay. Now EBET is an alphabet BETTER. So in this, what does roster form you write? Which element is repeating number of times? You have to take it as only one time. That is B, T and E are repeating. So we can take only one time. B, E, T, R. 4 only you are getting. Why? Because E and T are repeating, no? So that's why we can take it as only one time. Now your homework will be exercise 2.1, 6, 7 and 8. Exercise 2.1, 6, 7 and 8 songs. 8th one is only match the following. It is easy only. And 6th one is roster form is given, set builder form. Already we did in the previous sessions. It is easy only. Then 7th one is roster form. Again set builder form given. You have to write in this roster form. Easy only. Okay, ma. I hope you will be understood. Okay, we will meet in the next session.